welcome to my vlog. This year, grabe, our trick or treat here in Cherry Camp lasted for 2 days. Yes, kasi may paparating na bagyo on Halloween night. So some houses decided mag-abot ng treats earlier. Kaya ayon, nag-start na kami ng mag-trick or treat noong October 30. My son was so excited to wear his special ops costume. Ayaw niya maging monster or witch. Gusto lang niya maging cool little soldier. We went to so many houses and got a tons of treats. Halos mapuno na yung bags namin. The kids were so happy. Takbo dito, takbo doon, and they all look so cute in their costumes. Dito sa Cherry Camp, Halloween is such a big deal. People really go all out. Spooky lights, giant pumpkins, at may mga haunted sit-ups pa sa harap ng bahay. Some families even play Halloween music and dress up habang namimigay ng candies. Kahit hindi perfect ang weather, the Halloween spirit was definitely alive. Puno ng saya, tawa at good vibes. So, ayun na muna guys. Abangan yung next video namin, ang trick or treat mismo sa October 31st. So, don't forget to like. See you sa next one.